true.
Hey, that is a TVS signal right there.
Yep.
How quick? Now here's where you guys got to do some work.
We need to go to Milwaukee. Tornado warning! We are now heading on a tornado warning storm.
Okay, Bert.
Move, bitch!
We need to know roads and how.
All right.
Do you have a phone?
All right,
I can't do it. My phone doesn't work.
We like Wisconsin storms. Wisconsin storms have been pretty good to us. Iowa storms are usually pretty good to us.
Yes, I have. The downside is all the trees.
All right, so it's not this one, right?
No, it's not. It should be, I believe, the next one.
Ready for the fun part?
That one would take us directly into Burlington, which would be a bad choice.
All right.
Yay!
There's a siren going off.
I was just thinking that. We should open the window so we can hear it in the video. Ah,
there it is. Oh, that's for you!
Hey, stay away.
So, Rich, do you have comprehensive insurance?
Unfortunately, my deductible is too high. I'll stop paying for the windshield completely if I break it.
Hey Dave, where's that power cord? Hey, I just heard the alarm.
One cord is just a micro USB like that phone.
Yeah, it's in the camera case. Right in the main pocket, yes. Big. Yeah, but I got it. I got cord.
You got one?
Yeah, I got one.
We used the one from in here last time.
Oh, we are about 2 minutes.
My phone
Whatever that is. Whatever that is, it's evil. Is that a wallcloud? That's pretty low.
That's a storm behind us. That's that little guy.
That's a wallcloud. That's a nice looking wallcloud.
Would you go
p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Butters Lake, or near Twin Lakes, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, being on both sides.
radar.
Brushing the core.
Brushing an interesting hail core on that one. But now I want to know what's going on with what we just walked through. Dave? Look.
Oh, that bitch is hooking.
Dude, we may have a wallcloud right here.
We might have a tornado like on top of us.
Hold on.
We're in a very bad spot.
I don't think we may want to carry right now. No, yeah, we might have a secondary possible storm forming right here.
The big question is, do I
That's
stop?
a low precip.
I would turn around and pull over like right over here, pull off into that.
We can't see good here. I would have gone.
Are you sure? Is it actually going to be a little rainbow?
It's on. I'm just pointing it out in different windows right now. Ooh, rainbow. Big rainbow. That's a fat rainbow.
There you go. That's
Parking ticket. Be like, ah, fuck. I would have cried. Then I'd be like, son of a bitch.
still looks interesting. Velocity.
It looks interesting with velocity, and this whole back end just looks.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we're looking at right here.
Right.
Yeah, I mean, we are looking at rotation.
I mean, doesn't that almost? It almost looks like it's a fucking wallcloud back there.
It could be. It's just.
It probably is,
It
actually.
just might not be a. This might be a non-rolling wallcloud for all we know.
Which is.
That's why I figured I'd put the GoPro on it, because then we can speed it up and see if it is rotating and we just can't see it.
Right.
And that looks like a massive scud bubble in front of us.
Yes, that is definitely a scud bubble. However, over here.
It's scud bubble.
Actually now, it's hard to tell.
Oh, it's definitely catching.
Yeah. Is that a storm chaser, I bet? Oh, no, it's an empty van.